Alright guys, I'm back. It's Sunday Fun Day. And if you want to see what's going on with my Model A, I'll be posting some pictures later today on my Facebook Old Time Garage and on my Instagram, Rick's_Old Time Garage, of my Model A over at the wiring shop. So what's happening today? Well, I'm going to finish cleaning up the shop. Moved a few things out, got the shop kind of emptied out at the moment. Lots of cars outside waiting. Don't think we're not got no work, but just kind of cleaning up. Got my buddy Brad coming over to give me a hand. We're going to do some painting today. So if you all remember, we started out many months ago and we had painted all this wall here. Alright, we painted all that. Then we put in a roll-up garage door rather than the barn doors with some windows that let light in. Then we painted all across there and we painted all up in here. Then we got over to the back wall. But we never did finish off this wall. You can see the difference. If you can't see the difference, there's something wrong. So we're going to get this wall finished off today. So I'm just moving everything down, pulling everything out. I keep all these empty boxes underneath there for, never know, you got to pack stuff up, or cardboard, cut it up, good templates for making sheet metal out of. You know, got all this I got to organize. So cleaning this all up. Gonna get this painted up today. That's the plan. And maybe give the office a bit of a clean up too. So listen to some oldies. And yeah. Just enjoying this rainy Sunday. Sunday Fun Day. It's always a good day. Whether you're in the shop or you're working on your car or you're just working on your shop, it's still a good time. Sometimes, you know, you got to work on the shop a bit because the shop is where the car is built. And sometimes you got to stop for a moment, take a break, get it reorganized, get it reset up, and get back onto things again. So hopefully next weekend my Model A's back home, and then I'll start playing with that again, finishing off a few things on it. And I'm getting my headers built right now. My headers are getting built by Sanderson. Give a shout out there to Sanderson headers. They seem very nice. I've seen them on small block Chevys before. They're a really good quality header, and that's what I decided to have built for the Model A. So that's where we're going there. So once we get some headers, well then we can, I think we can fire that bad boy up almost. Yeah, so not too much to show you today. I'll just show you the before and after. As you can see, there's before. Or no, I mean there's before. What am I saying? There's going to be after, the color difference. So I'll try and get all this done today. I'm not worried about painting under the bench. We don't do that. I'm going to vacuum under there. You can see I haven't vacuumed in ages under. All the shit you sweep up, but there's always shit that gets stuck under there. But I don't care about painting under there. It's a workshop. I'm not going to that extreme. Just painting the walls. I've been here nearly 12 years now. 12 years ago this was painted. It's dirty. You know, normally, honestly, I like to try and do it every 10 years. Every 10 years I think you should give it a fresh coat of paint. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just brightens it up. Especially this time of year in the winter. We're in here. The doors are closed. The shop seems so much smaller than it is. Not a big shop to begin with, but, you know, brightening it up does help out. So, yeah, I'll get some stuff done up here, and if I run across any cool items as I'm going, I'll show you guys. All right. So if you all remember, I had this clock, which it doesn't keep time proper. It's just an old Enjoy Velvet ice cream clock, and I've moved it up there. It was over here, right there, but because it doesn't keep time properly, I've got another clock that says Ford ice cream that I'm going to put there on that wall after we paint. So it's kind of fun trying to organize walls and put things where you want them. I don't like to clutter the walls up too much, even though, I mean, look around, there's lots. It just makes the shop darker, but I don't know, I like the cool stuff too, right? You come into a shop where you got some cool signs, even though these are like, these signs here are just repop whatever signs, they're still cool, you know? And it's kind of neat to see that stuff. It kind of, I don't know, gets the old blood flowing, the heart pumping. So I got a few things to hang up. I got you know, much like the office, right? I got all my cool signs in here, you know, all these ones and that. And I got a bunch more. I got some down here, and they're all over. I got a bunch more I got to put up. I got a bare space there, but a couple spots there I can hang some stuff. I'm going to expand this office. The plan is that I'm going to kick this window out one day, put a door here, and build another room. But right now what I'm doing is I'm taking this sign down. This is from somebody a long time ago that I knew that I just don't want it no more. It's just, so it's coming down, and that frees up a lot of space, and that's just going in the scrap bin where it belongs. So sometimes you just get rid of shit, you know. Things like that hanging around are just bad karma. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing there, kind of moving stuff around. Got to get all this organized here too. You know, lots of parts kicking around. I got to get all these parts straightened up, but yeah. So anyway, I wanted to show you that I put that clock there. Like I say, it's a boring video. Nothing too exciting, but that's up there, and just keep plugging along and showing you little things as I do them. Okay guys, I'll give you the finished product. So you see here, look at the dirty wall. Look at that clean wall. That's the one that's painted before. I know, me and this back and forth. There we go, look at that. No, it's hard to see at the light right there. Look at that, all the way, got it all the way done, right through there. No more guck, no more mess. Just super clean compared to that. I mean, look at this. Look at the nastiness up here. The nasty old dirty cobwebs and shit in the shop. But that's 12 years of shit gathered up right there. So this back wall right here is all that's left, the opening of the doors. But that's going to be it for now. We're going to get everything put back up here. We'll put some cool pictures up there, some more clocks lit up. All right, we got our one lit up over here. We'll get some more stuff up and away we go. So hey, that's about it. That's all you really got to see on this Sunday fun day. But like I said, you gotta look after the shop. You gotta keep the shop clean. Clean shop is a clean and organized shop is a handy thing. Makes the job go quicker, whether you believe it or not. So hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Sorry it was a boring video. And remember, Christmas is coming, and we've got all these t-shirts and decals in here. So don't forget, get them while you can. It's always a good time in old time.